a question for you capitalists. What the fuck do you have to offer any of us?
I've got 2 words for you. Prime rib.
Congratulations, you're a bad bitch.
And to celebrate Lucas Werner's successful insult comedy career, Chef Tango and I are going to recreate the prime rib Lucas ate at the Motel 6, and then raise it to the Gold Shoe standard.
On the Realio.
And we begin with our boneless, USDA certified prime rib. My butcher told me one with the bone simply wasn't in the cards.
Fuck you!
The first thing we need to do is let our roast get to room temperature. And while we do that, we can get our spices ready.
There's greed acceptance, bigotry. Don't even get me started on age-phobic bigotry and classism.
And we're gonna begin by getting salty and dangerous with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, along with 1 teaspoon of thyme, dry mustard, black pepper, and half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. And afterwards, give this a good meeble toss.
Where the Gen Z women at? What are we doing? Don't be coy. Where they at? Where you at?
And with that kind of money, you can own your own Ninja Foodie 5-in-1. And that's exactly what we're going to use to cook our prime rib. It's a proven fact that Gen Z women love Ninja Foodie products.
No, you see, you're just not listening, bitch.
And after I disinfect it, we're going to select the roast feature and set the temperature to 325 degrees.
Nothing from God! There's nothing! It's brainwashed! It's somebody who believes in God!
And while Lucas screams about classism, we're going to put our spices on our prime rib. Don't forget the sides. And afterwards, we're going to put it in our Ninja Foodie 5-in-1 with some fresh rosemary. And then we're going to set the timer for about an hour. But it will be taken out once it reaches an internal temperature of 120 degrees. Kind of like Jack's chicken.
I have 2 questions. 1, can we have $2,000 stimulus check now? And 2, can we please get rid of the white trashification of the United States?
I can't answer those questions, but I can make some white stuff. And today, it's going to be in the form of horseradish sauce, which is traditionally served with prime rib, unlike peanut and fry sauce.
That would be absurd under Marxism.
Am I not entitled to half a cup of sour cream? Apparently I am. Am I not entitled to 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish? Apparently I am. Am I not entitled to 1 tablespoon of fresh chives? Apparently I am. Am I not entitled to a splash of lemon juice? Apparently I am. Clap for my horseradish sauce.
They're gonna treat you like you are a person walking around with HIV.
And now that our white stuff's done, it's time to check the temperature of our prime rib. And now that it is around 120 degrees, we're going to take it out and let it rest for 30 minutes.
Right now, 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 right now.
And now it's time for the best part.
That's right, that's perfection.
And I may not be the first cooking show to make a prime rib in the Ninja Foodie 5-in-1, but I'm definitely the first to do so in a cavalier fashion.
And then right here I come in like, well, I need a girlfriend.
But why when you can make this prime rib into several different meals? Or you can share with your favorite dog. But if you can cook prime rib just like this, you'll definitely have 6 girlfriends by Monday.